What's up guys, it's Justin here, and today I want to shoot a quick video for you. It's something I probably should have done a long time ago. I just didn't think of it till now, but if you have watched any of the videos on this channel, if you've gone through any of my trainings before, you know what a huge proponent I am of using paid ads to promote your music, specifically using Google ads, Facebook, Instagram ads, promoting your music videos on YouTube, and all that good stuff. So yeah, I want to show you how you can actually get started with Google ads and get a free $150 credit. So you can get $150 worth of Google ads completely for free. So I'm going to show you how to do that here in this video. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, in just a second, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get $150 in free ads. But first, if you're not subscribed to this channel, I just want to remind you, please click the subscribe button and tick the little bell icon to be notified when new videos are released on the channel. Also, if you find this video helpful, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and also be sure to leave a comment. Let me know what you like about the video. Let me know if there's anything you don't like, or if you have suggestions for future videos as well. All right, so I'm going to put a link to this directly below the video, and the link will take you to a page that says available in US only, but you can change this. I'll show you how in just a second. First of all, I want to explain what this is. You can set up a Google Ads account and get $150 in free ad credit. So the way it works is they'll match the amount that you spend up to $150. So if you spend $300 on ads, you actually get $150 worth of ads for free, which is pretty awesome because you can get really amazing results with Google Ads. I've got a pretty great course, I think it's pretty good, a pretty great course on Google advertising that I just released recently. I'll explain more about that in a second, but first let's talk about how you can claim your free $150 ad credit. So this is a credit when you set up a new account, you get $150, up to $150 in free ads. And again, they match the amount that you spend, so if you only spend $10, you get $10 in free ads. If you spend $150, then you'll get another $150 on top of that in free ads. Now, if you already have a Google Ads account, unfortunately, well, this won't work with your existing Google Ads account. Now, can you create another Google Ads account and use this? I believe that is something that you could do. I'm not going to say necessarily, whether or not Google want you to do that or not, but it is free to create a Google Gmail account, and that's all you really need to set up your Google Ads account. So it still could be possible to take advantage of this. In any case, directly below this video, there'll be a link that'll take you to this page that says available in US only. So if you don't live in the United States, what you'll want to do is go up into your browser and you'll see right here where it says the US, you could change this to UK. Just put your country there, and that's available now in the UK. There's Canada, CA. So it's just this right here. So this is English and then the country. So you just want to adjust that with your actual country initials, I guess, or country code or whatever you call that. And that's pretty much it. So now you can get $150 in free ad credit. So if you don't know how to use Google Ads, I actually just recently created a pretty cool training on using Google Ads to promote your music videos on YouTube, and to give you an idea of how much, how many views you could get on your music videos for 150 bucks. I mean, I show you inside the training how I get, I think at one point, one of the campaigns I set up, I get over 5,000 views for like $10 on a music video, like legit real views. So you can do the math and figure out how much you can get for 150. But it's a pretty cool course. It's called Music Video Booster. Just go to musicvideobooster.com. Just go to musicvideobooster.com and it'll bring you to this page where you can get access to the course, learn all about how to use your $150 Google ad credit to promote your music videos on YouTube. You can get access to the course for just 70 bucks. So if you just take 70 bucks of the 150 that you're already saving in Google Ads, get access to the course, and you still have $80 free worth of Google Ads, and you have training that's going to teach you exactly what to do, how to set up your ads to get real views and real fans on YouTube. All right, so again, you can claim $150 in free Google Ads. Just click the link in the video description, and then when you go up here to the top, just make sure that you put your country here if you're not in Canada, maybe if you're in US, for example, like there you go, available only in US. All right, so just make that adjustment up there and claim your $150 in free ads. All right, so hope you found this video helpful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know if you have any questions or if you have any other ideas for videos that you'd like me to do. Please leave those in the comment section. And if you're not already subscribed to this channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button and tick the little bell icon to be notified as soon as new videos are released. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.